mathematics factorizations, and we have a question. Factorize and simplify 15x squared plus 11x minus 12 divided by 12x squared plus x minus 20. We are told to factorize and we simplify those two expressions. So we have the denominator, the numerator. This is numerator. And this one here is denominator. So in such cases, what we normally do, we work with the numerator first. Numerator. And in our case, our numerator is 15x squared plus 11x minus 12. So we are told to factorize. So when we are told to factorize, what we normally do, we write this equation in this form. We assume this is A, that is B, and that is C. So what we do, we get the product of AC, and we get the sum of B. So let's move on. So the product of AC, it is like 15 multiplied by 12, which will give you 180, which is negative. So true, yes. So 15, AB, A is 15, and the C is negative 12. So the product of these two is negative 180, and the sum is 11. So the two numbers, when you multiply them, you get 180. That is the product. And the two numbers, when you add them, you get 11. So the two numbers, in my case, I'm getting to be the sum is 11, the question is 20, that is 20 and negative 9. So the two numbers, you can say it is 20 and negative 9. When you multiply 20 multiplied by negative 9, you get negative 180, which is this one. And when you get 20, you minus 9 plus minus 20 plus minus 9, which will be minus, so 12 minus 9 will be 11, which is this we are looking here. So the two numbers, we can work them being 20 and 9. So in this case here, we can say it is 15x squared, 15x squared minus 9x plus 20x minus 12. So you can group this one together and that together as well. And in this case, you can group out 3x into 5x minus 3. Then in this case, we can factor out 4 into 5x minus 3. So that is the numerator. We can work out this one, and these one, they are equal, so we can cancel. And finally, we can say x plus 4. So this is 3x plus 4. Then we pick one here, 5x minus 3. That is the numerator. So we can work at the denominator. So that is the numerator. Now, denominator, we have denominator. The denominator, we have 12x squared plus x minus 20. So we get two numbers when you multiply them. 12 multiplied by negative 20, that is negative 240 negative 240, and then when you add them, it is 1. So the two numbers you find it is 16 and negative 5, right? So the numbers will be negative 15 and 16. Let's multiply the two numbers. Let's see if you're going to get negative 240. So we have negative 15 multiplied by 16, and I'm getting negative 40, and negative 15 plus 16 to be simply 1, which is 1 here. So you can simplify here and say this is 12x squared plus 16x minus 15x minus 20. Then you can factor these ones out here. We can say we have 4x into 4x plus 4, and then in this case you can factor out negative 5, which will give this one positive 3x. So this is plus. Are we in the same track? Are we in the same track? So this was 4. So 4, this going 3. Come on. This was 3. Alright? 4x multiplied by 3x is 12x squared. 4x multiplied by 4, it will be 16x. Good. We factor out here, we have negative 15x minus 20. So if we factor out 5x, then this will be 3x plus 4. Alright, so this one and that one, that's the same. So this will be 4x minus 5. I pick that one. Then we have 3x. 3x plus 4. So that is the denominator. So we are simplifying, so we can have the denominator here, or the numerator, sorry, which was 3x plus 4 and 5x minus 3, all that one out of denominator, which is 4x minus 5 and the 3x plus 4. You find this one and that one can cancel, and they remain with 5x minus 3 out of 4x minus 5. So that is the farthest we can simplify that math. That's the farthest we can simplify that math. So that is the solution for that factorization. We have to factor, we have factored out the numerator, we have factored out the denominator, and we have compared the numerator divided by the denominator, and we have simplified to the final answer, which is 5x plus 3 out of 4x minus 5. So that's the solution for that equation. If you have any question as far as factorization is concerned, wherever you can reach me, can you comment on the comment sections, and then I can get in touch.